Bino. Yeah, they be showing. I had motherfuckers do something for me today. Not just, I'm finna follow a lot of motherfuckers too. You know what I'm finna follow all you bitch ass niggas. I'm finna, man, say, look, if I don't post your shit on my mind without, ain't none of that, ain't none of that shit, man, say, niggas know who I fuck with you, you ain't get nothing followed. You know, you already know what I ain't talking about you. But, like, basically, motherfuckers know me, man. Motherfuckers think this, y'all see me. Man, I'm talking about every fucking body. Everybody. When I post, y'all supposed to be right there supporting, man. Don't come on this bitch if you fucking with Mike, that's my brother. But see, I do music. Get the fuck, you hear me? I'm gonna throw you off this bitch. You hear me? Preset your man right now. Let y'all niggas know right now. You hear me? So, yo. Alright, bitch, I talked to your uncle earlier too, little bitch. I'm finna say though, yeah, man. I love y'all. To the ones that really support me and like fuck with me, I love y'all. You hear me? I love y'all. Take a shot. Shit, I'm finna go charge my phone up and finish taking a shot. Hey, what I'm finna say? That bitch cool. And he say that bitch really was just trying to run away with me. That bitch was on the phone. Shit. You know. Bitch was running with me. You ready to come on, bitch? Hey, YTS. Miley Young is taking souls. Hey, but shit, yeah, man, y'all stay up, man. Look, I need to get out this bitch. I don't know. I'm telling you, my shit gonna go dead on y'all. Hey, y'all gonna ask that stupid ass question. You hear me? Why you gonna ask that stupid ass question? Hey, what I finna say though? Yeah, man, y'all go fuck with the music, man. I'm about to get out this shit, man.